We took an evening bus to our next destination, Lille, France. We got in late and left fairly early in the morning to find breakfast. There are bakeries or boulangeries on nearly every street, so finding fresh baked goods is pretty darn easy. Lille is a hub city in northern France with just over 1 million people in its metro area. From a transit perspective, Lille is a crossroads. It sits between Brussels to the east, Paris to the south, and London to the northwest. You can pretty much get anywhere and everywhere in those directions from Lille. After spending a week in a wagon along the beach in Elmer, we were ready to stay in the heart of Lille. We moved from our hotel to a very tiny and efficient apartment with a lofted bed. I'm not one for generalizing people and their cultures, but the people of Lille are passionate. On our first day there was an incident at a cafe. After a man stole food from a cooler, another patron called him out for stealing very loudly. As the thief casually wandered off with his food, the other man took the coffee cup he was drinking from and hurled it at him, hitting him in the ass. There are any Major League Baseball teams still looking for an undrafted free agent, look this guy up. He threw some serious heat. Passion is neither good nor bad. Passion is energy. It's the breadth and depth of the person. And there are a lot of passionate people here, passionate for their culture and passionate for their city. And I can appreciate that. As some of you know, I really love trivial facts, so I can't help but say this. Lille was founded in the 11th century by the Count of Flanders, Baldwin V, as a fortress town to protect against invading Normans. Everybody's got to protect against Normans. We'll talk about that later when we're in the UK. Over the centuries, it became a center for business and textile production and lace in the 17th and 18th centuries. Without going into detail, let me say the medical system in France is so much more efficient than in the US. We were able to walk into a doctor's office, get an appointment in less than a half hour, and the whole experience cost only $28. There was no nurse or administration staff. The doctor took care of everything, including charging our credit card for his services. Not only that, had we been a resident of France for 3 months, the government would have reimbursed the expense. We were both impressed by how painless the experience was. Old Lille is a sight to see with its narrow, meandering cobblestone streets. We love wandering down every side street because there are architectural points of interest everywhere in every little nook and cranny. It's amazing. Rain is in the forecast for later this week, so our next video will probably feature indoor things. We'll have to see because, weather. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe to help support this channel. We appreciate every one of you for joining us on our adventure.